Yeah, bless up and respect, no joke, no doubt. Massive big up and thank you so much for joining and welcome to Jamaica Walk By. And we are currently at the National Stadium, which is actually center camera, but we are currently going by the National Arena, as you can see, center camera here. And we are here for the Jamaica, which is Expo Jamaica. That's the entrance right there. So Jamaica Expo is actually a combination of businesses, small businesses, large businesses, so much businesses open and actually out to showcase and display all they have to the general Jamaican public. So it's everybody under one roof showcasing their products and services to Jamaicans as everybody come in and take charge on the beauty of such an event. So if you don't know about a specific person or a business or an entity, that is it, my G. No joke, no doubt. They are just start a kick off sitting. See me I say, mad things.
Late.
No late in the right time now, man, when the place full up and nice. Because Expo really I do. We tell you the truth. Not really the track and field event. You see it. So, how you do? You do them thing, huh?
No.
You know the social and thing, eh? Yeah? Alright, big up one thing. You're baller. That is it, but easy.
Yeah.
Want to take it easy and respect we support the things. See me, AJ?
Subscribe, you know?
That is it, but no joke. So you big up to all of my subscribers, then big up to all of my general, them who know about the thing and love what Jamaica Walk By do. So we just go walk through, we are going to actually see if we can talk to a few people. You understand? We don't know, but it's a massive event. I'm going to walk through for showing you exactly what it looks like and everything where the event entails. That girl is beautiful, man. Tuano. You understand? Yeah, man. There's a birds of a feather flock too. That is it now, man. Code. Yeah. So no joke, no doubt. So we have to bless up a Black Queen and all our ladies, them are special. Big up to all of my gentlemen them on the channel too. Other G they were just forward and give me a yell. Big up and respect. So we're gonna go inside of the event and we're gonna walk through and we're gonna see exactly what the expo is about. And we're gonna see if we can talk to a few of the people them too. We're not sure, it's a lot of them. So we don't want to make it look like anybody more special than anybody. So if you're just joining, please, I'm asking you to subscribe. And if you don't like the video, please, I beg if you like the video right about now. See? So let me just say, this is it. And this is the entrance where you would actually walk to get in the event. Blessings and respect.
Yes,
See? So I must say big up to a subscriber. You know what I mean? Jamaicanese girl. Big up to Jamaicanese girl and Mr. McDonald. You don't know husband and wife. You understand? Yeah. Who actually sponsored the tickets for this event for Jamaica Walk By and the family to experience the event and thing. You see me? Jah just work out things in a mysterious ways because we were actually getting prepared to forward to the event and them look at us and say, hey, we're gonna sponsor the event for getting some bands that can take you everywhere in the event and stuff like that. I'm like, wow, that is so nice. So big up to Jamaicanese girl and Mr. McDonald. You understand? And let me tell you this now. So you can actually check out their actual Airbnb space and the complex that they have, which is, it goes by the name as Map View Apartments. So there are Airbnb there and it's located in Duane Park. So on that property you also have a rooftop where you can rent to keep parties and all of them good things there. You see me I say? Parties, there's a bar up there, like beautiful place. So it's called Map View Apartment Complex over there in Duane Park. Look for them on Airbnb and book your stay right now. See? Big up. Jamaicanese girl, mad love, mad respect. See? That is it, no joke. So this is what it look like from the outside. I have to make our way on the inside. Nice. Yeah. That is it. So right here, so actually what is happening here is that if you don't have your tickets, you can actually purchase your tickets right here. And as you can see, the sign, it says cash only. You understand? So once you have cash, you can come on in and purchase your tickets right here based on the type of ticket that you want to come to the event. First, as we step in, we have the JPS charge on the inside. As we step inside here, Understand? It's a fully hybrid car, the BYD. Blessings and respect, man. No joke. Jamaica walk by.
What?
Jamaica walk by. Blessings and respect. Yes, I want to feature the brand new BYD.
U1 Plus.
Oh man.
I say yeah.
U1 Plus. My word. Beautiful machine.
Man, it's all electric. Right,
Yeah, as a matter of fact, without further ado, tell us a little bit about the car and how for somebody to actually get one of these cars where they're supposed to go, and tell us a little bit what the world need to know.
All right, so
I can take it out of home.
all right. Greetings and respects, my virgin. Right, so right now we're here on the JPS booth, right? Because we're also symbolizing the partnership with JPS, right? So what's really going on right here? This is now the cheapest vehicle to refuel. We're talking like less than 4,000 to get up to 100%. You get all the features that you're looking for, right? And of course, you have voice activation functions, driver assist features, everything you get as standard. And starting right here at $7 million, you can walk out with one of these. Car bad though. Yeah man, it's very bossy. And you get the ambient lighting, you know, so you know if you want to jam with your music and all of that, the lights will change to the color, the rhythm of the music, right? And it will always protect you in that, because even if you can jam, you know, some things can happen. But the car is built of steel and has crash detection, so you're good to go. You can find us at the AC Hotel, right here, next to Starbucks. We're here, and we're ready to go.
This is for only $4,000. It's supposed to can refuel and you're on the way to go.
That's right.
Figure that.
All right.
Beautiful.
I'm-
You find that what? AC Hotel.
Yeah, AC Hotel, you find me, I'm the guru, or JP, sales executive for BYD.
That is it. One love and respect every time.
Guidance and belief, my brother.
So there you have it. One of the most cheapest car to refuel and one of the most beautiful car in the market. You know what I mean? And this is the BYD U1 Plus. Check them out. And they are also endorsing the JPS. You know what I mean? Because you don't know, it's a fully electric motor vehicle. No joke, no doubt. As we move along. So, yeah. So it's a beautiful event. So, this is the last day. So sorry if you're not gonna get the chance to be here, but make sure say you be here next and the next one. Alright? Alright, so once you step in, there's another entrance now where you will get searched. They check your band, they check your ticket and everything like that before you go on the inside. Just like this. Alright, I could take it right here. Take up. Alright, so this is what actually on the inside. So you will get searched. Check your armband and your purchases and everything like that. And over here now you have big up to the sponsors them, you know what I mean? Yeah. So we see Digicel, we see Westinco, we see Development Bank of Jamaica Living, CIB, Scotiabank, NCB, Access, Best Dress. There's so much sponsors. Knoxford Express too as well. Rainforest, Court Lake, Caribbean Airlines. No joke, no doubt. Big up to all of the sponsors who make the event possible. As I said, it's a massive event, so trust me. No joke, no doubt. It's gonna be hectic inside here, but bear with me as we go through. So this is just a walkthrough for showing you exactly what the event look like, so you can get the natural feel and the ambience as if you are here. See? Yeah, man. And this is it, we're inside. So there's two segments. So this is Arena 1 and you have Arena 2 and you also have food court and everything. It's a massive event. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna roll randomly down the aisles and see what is here. Blessed and respect, no joke, no doubt. Here so you have MS Tech Solutions. Nice. Man.
We hadn't gone around.
I wish me can talk to everybody, but to me right now, anybody see with the camera really want to talk, maybe we actually showcase them stuff. Yeah, Blue Dot. To be honest with you, majority of these I'm not even sure what they're about still and thing, but like I say, there's tons of people in here. And if you want to rest your leg, you have all of the stand to sit down and rest your legs. You see? And also you have mothers around you.
We went out to town today.
Jam West. It's a beautiful event, family fun event for everybody. The Knoxwood Express. So I'm doing this so everybody who didn't get the chance to be here, man.
Also on wheels.
Also, I can roll it out.
Right, you can roll it out to your backyard when the girls come in. And one time, you're ready to have a drink, and then you have a complete table. So you can
design. Blessed teacher. And for all of the naturalists, I love the nice antique, natural design them, you know. Like myself, those are the type of things I love, you know. Handcrafted designs and things. No joke, no doubt. Look at these chairs. Beautiful. Yeah, man. Blessings and respect. Why the aroma over on this side? Normal, you can smell the organic products.
Dry sauce and then normally export, but they come up bulk. So I talk about truckload sauce. More about that part, more about the rum part. It's not I should definitely say.
We have 92 minerals in one product. I make body mist to cool down, just to relax. Lavender, bay. Hi, sir. You're gonna pay me some of the money when you get it when you put it by your internet. I don't know who you are. You're gonna introduce yourself. Talk to me.
Yes, I was actually waiting to see what you're doing with this.
You tell me. Talk to me. Who are you, sir? Why you did it for me?
All right. I'm figuring that since you're out here, you know, displaying all these natural wonders and things, you're open up to the public for persons to video and capture the moment
With
of.
my permission, but just a natural wonder. So you can have natural wonder. What's your name? What do you do?
All right. My name is Fabian and my channel is Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica Walk By. So
Yeah.
you're walking by, you know?
Right.
Welcome to
Exactly so.
Imani.
No, I was going to make it even sweeter. I'm going to give you the stock of when you tell us a little bit on where we can find and all the products that you have and what you have going on here. Me always like when uno first me I start talking, you know, because me always say no trouble, so trouble I go trouble uno.
I
You
don't
understand?
like to correct that word.
All right, so while trouble the crowd now, let everybody know exactly what you have here and where we can find you.
What's your name again?
My name is Fabian. It's Jamaica Walk By.
Hi, Jamaica Walk By. I'm Melissa Divine Stoddard from Urta Imani. We're an organic brand. As you can see, we offer organic skincare that are made from magnesium sea moss gel. Sea moss carries 92 minerals, and for those who don't know, sea moss is actually the Jamaican Irish moss. It carries 92 of the 102, as in 102 minerals the body need, and it carries 92 of those. So utilizing the product on the skin is perfect for scar removal, anti-aging. It relieves scar tissues. It's also perfect for eczema or any skin condition that is for delicate skin. The product firms the skin, and so we have 3 products in that line. We have our salt scrub. There's no water in the product. It's used with magnesium and sea moss. And we have our serum that's for glowing the skin. And we have our 7-purpose gel that can be used to massage the hair, the beard, and the complete body for relaxation and sleep. We have our deodorant that's done organically, one of our best promotional items. We need to be using natural organic deodorants, and so this is only $1,000. We have a 3 ounce of 3,000, and it's also a facial mask. These are a magnesium sea moss product. We accompany that with a soap that's in a fiber bag, so no more washcloth, rug can throw out. And you put this soap, this is what you use it in. We accompany that with a soap dish, and that's for a deal of $2,000. Here we have our body butters. We have Lily, very sweet. Hey, Mama, what's going on? I'm good. And that was orchid. I gave you lavender. No, the one that men best suit is coffee. So you just try all our butters. What do you think about it?
It's beautiful. Number one, I was surprised at the texture. You understand? As soon as you put the texture on me on my hand, I was like, wow, very smooth. You made them yourself?
Guess what? We're a company that is producing our products, and so we're willing to serve others. We do branding for others. And we also allow persons to buy the product wholesale or retail. Or meet us at Kingston Night Market on a Tuesday evening where you can have the product. We're on Instagram and other handles. So to get a photo of our package here or banner, you will have that, and we have a business card available for you. You'll find a business card right at the front there. Thank you. And I'd love for you to follow us and also to purchase one product. Our cheapest product and most economical one is $1,000, and it is a perfume oil that we make naturally. Would you like to sample?
First, I must say before, I don't want to forget. So Massive, as you can see, I don't sell lies. So she's the perfect example as to the product. That is one of the reasons why I was standing here filming. Because based on her skin texture and her face, the way out is smooth, clean, and beautiful. And I'm not seeing any makeup whatsoever. So then and then I had to stop to say, let me see what this lady is about and what she's spraying on her face. So I was happy that she came at me to ask me what am I doing. So there you have it. Can you say the name again?
Erta Imani. It's Erta Imani, so it's EARTHA IMANI, and it's on all handles. We're in Mandeville for location, but we supply Jamaica and internationally. So
wonderful. All right, so you know what I'm actually doing? I have almost 300,000 subscribers. So I'm asking and imploring all my subscribers and followers to on my YouTube platform, where this will be, to go over there and support this beautiful wonder here. I'm gonna video our QR code so you can actually put your phone to the screen and go straight to our Instagram and check her out. I love her presentations, beautiful, and I'm definitely gonna be circling back with my family to support you. All right, blessings and love, man. No joke, no doubt. All right, wonderful. Yeah, so there you have it. Caesar Care, nice. Premium Jamaica Black Castor Oil. It's a castor oil company, so you can definitely check them out. I'm not gonna talk to everybody, to be honest with you. I'm gonna have to just move through a bit based on how many businesses there is. Wow, these are beautiful too as well. Blessings, good evening, greetings. Beautiful. Man. Good day. And over here, you know, I actually always love the natural stuff, the natural looking stuff. So let me showcase here a bit. You know, I'm always gonna scan the QR code so you can actually get to follow their page. As you see this right here, yeah. So this is Village Chic. Is it Village? Vintage Chic, right? Oh, Chic. All right, that is it. So there you have. That's our Instagram as well. Vintage.chic.design. All right, no joke, no doubt. So by the looks of things, these are. So you know, I couldn't pass Massive. No joke, no doubt. And these are the type of things that always catch me because I know me stay already Massive. No joke, no doubt. I mean, like, make sure so I support the locals, them. No joke, no doubt. See? Beautiful. I make sure I have the Instagram handle, I also have the email, and I also have the WhatsApp number for persons who want to contact them to get any one of these designs. They're beautiful, and based on the look of it, very empty. But these beautiful things come at a low cost right now at just $2,000. Where else you can get this at the Expo, or you're gonna contact them on Instagram. You do actually, we're a Jamaican deliveries, alright? Same via Knoxford and those kind of things. That is it. So that's the way to go, massive. Me general, kind of little silent round there. You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Figure that. Oh, you mean, man? Get it together, man. Yeah. All right, then no joke, no doubt. Yeah, I could take a small
These
peek.
are all wood, calabash, and they're very light.
Oh, so they're made from wood and calabash. And as she mentioned, they are very, very light.
And the hooks are surgical steel or stainless steel.
You hear that? So it's surgical steel or stainless steel. So very good for your ears. You don't have to worry about anything. No joke, no doubt, man. Blessings and respect. You hear that?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's Jamaica walk by. Yeah, blessings. Yeah, there's so much persons here, but you know me, I'm gonna be very selective on the persons who I actually stop to speak with as I go through. Sometimes I'm gonna have to speed it up based on the amount of persons here. Blessed, respect. Yeah, man. There is so much business here, trust me. Can't stop to really talk to everybody. Mighty. Loads of people too as well. Everybody enjoying themselves, checking out the new products, checking out new things. And based on who you don't know now, you get the chance to know a lot of these products here.
Sir.
You have Live Simple on my right. So yeah, I must say I'm gonna speed it up a little bit because this is just Arena 1 and they are utilizing the entire arena. So loads of things going on. But this video is just to show you exactly what is happening here and things, so we're not getting in depth with everybody. We just a walk through, showing you exactly what going on.
But the both of them are.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head to the food court because I don't want it to get dark without not getting the chance to show you on the outside where the food is located.
That's another thing.
So this is pretty much Arena 1. Just see a beautiful Lexi up there, so a while ago. And you don't know we have Jamaica in 10, the beautiful Lexi. Please, I'm asking you all to support our channel Jamaica in 10, which is the number 10. And who is this? A sweet, beautiful Kyla. Say hi. Hi. Good job, man. Yeah. Just get you. Cheese and peace. I'm so forward. I'm spin and forward. So yeah, this is actually Arena 1. I'm just gonna walk that aisle at the center camera right there, and then we'll go by Arena 2. Natural soap. I mean, let's see what we have here.
Wave on the road. On the side road, yeah. There's two. What I cheer?
Wow, look at these. Good evening, good day, good day. Wow, these are super nice. Where is the banner? What's the name of this business here? Divine Treasures? Yes, sir. Wonderful. I love the name and the, I really love the name and the look of this one. Guess what? So the name of this business is called Guess What. Definitely want to find out what this business is all about and things. So let me try and find out a little bit. Hi. Hello, you're the person I can talk about finding out what going over here, so. But guess what?
Next person talk to her earlier, right? So she know everything what going on.
No, you can't talk to nobody. You have to guess what going on.
Guess what going on? Then that's time I just said to the lady and said, guess what?
Yeah.
What going on? All right, tell me.
Guess what is a, okay. So Guess What is a Jamaican game. It's a card game inspired by taboo and charades, but a Jamaicanized version.
All right.
I'm so sorry. I'm gonna do that again. Where's the card card?
This is getting interesting.
Yeah. So here we have our two. Here we have our two sets of cards. We have our do it cards and our say it cards. So our do it cards are your action cards. So you'd act out whatever is on the card, and it's various things related to our Jamaican culture. Our say it cards now are our descriptive cards. So you describe whatever is up here, but you're not allowed to use the word down here. And you'd keep going until the rooster crows. So this is our rooster timer here. Has a base time of 60 seconds plus whatever number you roll on the dice. The colors on the dice determine whether you do it or you say it. And if you say a word that you're not allowed to say, you'd get buzzed by your hot cover dust buzz. And that's basically the game in essence. It has 404 cards, and everything that you see here is included in the box right here.
So how can we get one of these
Alright,
boxes?
so here at the Expo today, we have them available for $6,900. However, retail prices are $8,550 plus tax, upwards to $90 US. They're found in Fontana, Monarch Pharmacy, Carbees, Things Jamaica, on Amazon as well, and in the airports.
Oh, so I can find this on Amazon.
This is on Amazon, yes.
Wonderful. So massive, you hear that? And look at this, product of Jamaica. So
Jamaican made and Jamaican inspired, all about our Jamaican culture.
wonderful. Listen, the colors alone make me have to stop to find out what is going on here. So massive, I'm gonna do the honors to scan this QR code. So you're gonna see it on the screen. So put your phone next to the screen right now and go straight to their page. And guess what? You know what I mean? No joke. You're gonna get this. So it's a beautiful product at the event right now. It's only $6,000 and you get the package, right?
And one more thing, we have another game coming out this summer called As So We Say It. It's about Jamaican proverbs, and this is our new product coming out. And we actually won Best New Product today. We won 2 awards for this game that we have coming out. We won Best Booth and we won Best New Product. The other award is over there.
Thank you.
So what is in that box?
Okay, so over here we have our refill packs. So persons who have the game, eventually they become familiar with what's on the cards. So over here we have 300 brand new cards for $2,200, separate from what's in the box. So the box has 404 and we have 300 more over here. And this is available in Fontana as well.
Oh, so this is available in Fontana. So if they didn't get to make it at the expo and they're seeing this video, they can just go to Fontana and get it.
Fontana, Amazon, Things Jamaican, Carbees, Monarch, we're there.
Figure that. Thank you so much for talking to me, and I hope you still have all of them things. I love the idea, I love the concept, and the colors alone is eye-catching, and definitely you will stop at this booth. So I see the reason why you actually get best booth and the winning for the best new product. Beautiful, no joke, no doubt. There you have it. Guess what? Even the name. What about they don't have any for name?
I wish if we would have won it if they had best name, right?
That is it. Big up yourself, no joke. Thank you for talking to me, all right? That is it. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's a beautiful game there called Guess What? That is it, man. Heart of love, heart of love. See? Blessings. Hey, yo, let's touch it now, man. Big up and respect the kid. And a foreigner. Jamaica walk by. Yeah, man. That is it. Say no, you go watch yourself now. Respect. Yeah, man. Beautiful event, man. So this is Arena 2. We just see boy Extreme Arts, you know. Where's Extreme Arts? I want X-God.
This is more. So, ladies and gentlemen, you think this is a worthy of mission, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, for us at CIBC Caribbean, how we'll make this ambition real? One, we have the homeowners savings plan. That is, we are going to work with Laura.
Yeah, massive, I don't know Extreme Arts in the house. You understand? What you looking forward for at the expo?
Well, I'm just here looking at the different booths. I don't know. I look forward to the food, you see? Yeah, because we're hungry, you know? So I look forward to the food. Anyway, the food there, that's over there. You know what I mean? Figure that. Figure that. Figure that.
This is Extreme Arts, massive, one of the biggest directors in Jamaica right now that you can't even think about. It comes out the music videos and all of them good things, alright? No joke, no doubt. Yeah, and tell us how many 5 artists music video where you shoot for big international artists.
I mean, there's so much right now, you know. Oh gosh, man. International artists, Cartel, you get me, I say Coffee, Shensia, Spice, you get me, I say, oh God, man. Sean Paul, oh my, you see it? Only, just check out the website, www.extremeartsja.com and see all of the work them, man. Mad thing, figure that. Extreme Arts JA on Instagram, you find me right there. Just search for Extreme Arts, yeah, Google and you find me, you know. Otherwise, I'm that musically, catch Extreme on the beat, you can check out that too. Can we put out some new music, you see me? Alright.
Yeah, but before you leave Extreme Arts, I'm going to tell you, Massive, so this is a guy you know. More you tell him, 5 are the biggest songs that you produce. So Massive, he's not just a video director and editor and all them things. He's actually a beat maker and the music producer. Tell them also 5 big songs where you produce, yeah, your brother and the whole cash flow family.
First of all, big up the whole team, you know, big up DJ and big up Father P. You see me I say? Big up the whole team. You don't know 5 songs, a whole heap of big songs we produce. We have the Inner Real Life. You get me I say we have Catch, we have a Sham, and Oh, Wind Up Your Body. Oh my word, we have to big up all the one with Octane there in the GTA, the game. I mean, whole heap of hit song, man. Whole heap. Set speed.
About the biggest song right now. What the latest biggest
song? Oh, the biggest song, of course. Happy Birthday with my friend. By Busy Signal, so you don't know that in the catalog as well. The biggest song right now. You see what I say?
So Massive, this is the man that produced Happy Birthday, yeah, my friend, by Busy Signal, where it's in a household name where the whole entire world is streaming that song every single day. Because guess what? Every single day somebody
birthday.
Bad. And we have over here so the great Father P. Big up every time, no joke, no doubt. Extreme Arts, thank you for speaking with me. You don't know anything I want to say.
That's why I say big up Jamaica walk by you know. Yeah man. Hey, you out here? Really out. You see me I say, from a that time me and him apart and thing. I'm a brother in a real life, so that's why I'm big him up on him journey. I love everything with him dealing, alright? That's some cousin right there saying, I big up my cousin right there, sir. Alright.
Bad respect, me G, respect. We link up here side there. Oh, Lexi and the baby there over there up on the stand.
Alright.
See? Mad, we are going through. Father P! Bad. Yeah, so this is Father P, Extreme Arts Father. Big up somebody, Father P.
Big up somebody?
Yeah.
Oh, big up you?
And me?
Yeah, big up you. Yeah. You know, big up my extended families, you know. Yeah, all of them. They are too numerous to call, you know. So, I don't name nobody. Well, yeah, my daddy Expo, you know. It's maybe the last one before me 70, you know. They don't have anymore.
Yeah, they're going to have one next year.
Next year, but you know, 70 at them time there. You know, sir, let me tell you something. And 9 more months left with me 70, you know.
9 more months,
9 more months, yeah, with me 70, yeah.
You're not looking.
Who tell you so?
You're not looking, man.
Don't tell me so, no.
Mr. Right now, if you ever die, them black hair, them white hair, they to black man, you look like 60. Ready for the road again.
No, man. No.
So Massive, this is like a father from away from a father, you know what I mean? Because we've been around father people like nearly 20 odd years now. You see me? So it's a very long time. From a little boy. Yeah. You understand? So we meet Father P 2002. So it's a great vibe and it's a long time. I know we're there now 2025. It's a long time. So no joke. Yes. So we normally live there, everything, so you don't know X is like my real brother. So big up Father P, bad love, bad respect. We're outside. Yeah, but I'm waiting. We're waiting. Take it easy. So yeah, we are here going through. So this is Arena 1. Let's go by Arena 2.
So you have your business and you have workers. It's just me and my fiance. But you want expand. Okay, you want to expand, so you want to take on staff that can help you sell and farm the goods. Okay, but we're going to have to anything, right? Alright.
So this is Arena 1, so we are going by Arena 2 now. And to be honest with you, Arena 2 is way more massive, big, and a lot more going on. So yeah, let's go by Arena 2. So yeah, you just go through this passage right here. And we're heading to Arena 2. So this video won't cut or anything. We just show you the natural vibe like are you there as you walk through and see what go on. We are giving you the experience. See? Let's get ready for the crowd. Alright, I see you giving away something here. Can you explain to me what you're giving away?
I'm giving away flyers for my business. My name is Bree of Bree Botanicals. That's a local skincare company right here in Jamaica. We sell luxury body oils, rich body butters, artisanal soaps. We do gift basket arrangements too. Right now, I'm here promoting my new shimmer body oil for the Carnival girlies. So you can reach out to me via WhatsApp at 876-372-9392 or Bree_botanicals. On Instagram, it's a sunflower logo, you cannot miss it. Okay, this is me. So thank you so much, I appreciate it.
Art I love, man, I respect, man. From me see you promoting, that is what I do. I want to give everybody a fair chance to get their products out there, you understand? Because what is a great product without anybody knowing it?
Absolutely, I agree with you. And these are some great products. Look at my skin, I use my own
It's
products.
glowing.
Thank you, I use my own products. I'm a living testimony. If I show you my skin 7 years ago, you wouldn't believe it. But I found natural products that help to treat these conditions that people suffer with. Don't suffer in silence. Link Bree Botanicals today, okay?
There you have it, Green Botanicals on Instagram. Bree, right, that is it. No joke. One more time for the poster.
Yes.
Make sure you find them. And she said you can't miss the logo because it's a big sunflower.
Yes.
All right, one love and art I love. And thank you so much for talking to me, all right?
Yes, absolutely.
Blessings. It's Jamaica Walk By.
Yes, because I know what you're saying. I know what you're saying.
It's Jamaica Walk By, man. Art I love, man.
Yeah, man.
Respect our man. Yeah, man. Respect. So there you have it. So it's Bree Botanicals. You know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. Definitely go and check her out. She out here grinding. So massive. We are in Arena 2 and it's big. Very, very massive event in Arena 2. It's very long. Thank you so much. Yeah, so I'm just standing at the entrance of Arena 2 and believe me, very, very festive and active. I'm not even sure where to start. So honestly don't even sure where to start, but let's get off. I'm gonna go by one end and then make my way to the other end or to the other end. So first from my right here, so LMH Publishing. Oi, that just dropped. That is it. Look what you have. Me is a low budget. Look what man matter. So me, you know what time them link up in music video is how much money you got. And when they say they have $500, you link me. But when they say I have $1,000 budget or $20,000 budget, see man, yeah, and them on the link. Yeah man, no joke, no. Go through me teacher. Nice. Outside. So we are gonna make our way one end to the other end. So remember, this is not a video for talk to everybody. I'm just trying to capture the experience as to what is happening here, the festivities, the natural vibe. Who me can talk to, I will speak to them. You know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. This is exactly what we're doing. Whoa, like a move. I'm trying to capture what's going on. You know what you could do? Maybe you can tell us where to find you and you know, tell us what you want the public to know.
Good afternoon. I'm promoting Benjamin Witch Hazel and Benjamin Rosewater Facial, which it's an excellent face lotion. What it does is cleanse the skin and it removes all the dirt, all the stains from your face. It's good for makeup removing. After finish using the Witch Hazel cleansing lotion, we do use a Rosewater facial spray. Then we use a Benjamin Vitamin E oil, which puts back all the moisturizer in your face. And we also are promoting we have 3 different flavor castor oil, which we have Jamaican castor oil with pimento oil, Jamaica castor oil with coconut oil, and Jamaica castor oil with olive oil. Our new and improved Snorkel, what it does is an excellent lotion for men. We need you to grab this. What it does, and ladies, it also helps cooling down when you're hot.
Blessings and respect. Thank you so much for speaking. You know what I mean? So you say, Endas and Blast Benjamin.
Yes, and I'm Cassandra. Benjamin for life. 145 years we are celebrating.
That is it. When I saw the sign, I was like, whoa. This place has been founded long before all of us was born. You understand? Look like it's going to be here when we all are gone.
And it is indeed a great business, and it has been a pleasure working there. And for persons who have not seen our goods, come in, look on the shelves. They're in the supermarkets, they are in the pharmacies, just about anywhere you can find all the Benjamin stuff. Go out, try them, and enjoy them.
All right, so Massive, Benjamin is actually a product that I use because guess what? I only use Benjamin mineral oil.
Well, have you tried the rum, lime, and honey? Have you tried the honey thyme?
I've not tried that honey thyme. The reason being why I always have the Benjamin mineral oil is because I have a daughter who is always constipated. So...
And it does a wonderful job. The mineral oil, it does a wonderful job.
Yes. So I think my daughter get the constipation from me because when I was younger, that's the oil my mother used to use to free me up. So I actually apply the same stuff to my daughter, and my house cannot be out of Benjamin mineral oil. So mad love and respect. So I had to stop. So big up to Benjamin on 145 years, touching lives for over a century. No joke, no doubt. Bless up to you, and thank you so much for speaking with me. See? Heart of love. That is it. Yeah, man, big up to Benjamin, no joke, no doubt. So that's how we're doing it, you know what I mean? We're taking our time going through. Listen, I must say, there's so much things going on here, you can't even keep the focus on one thing. Too much amazing products here, and one of the greatest things is that I am actually learning about most of these products and these businesses by actually being at the expo. So I'm exploring on everybody who is actually new to this. You should definitely check out the expo next year, because today is actually the last day, so it's not gonna be possible. And over here I'm seeing hydro farming. Yeah, E-City. Nice. Sorry. All right, I'm going to show you the food court before it's dark, and then we're gonna head back into Arena 2. See? No joke, no doubt. Let's do that. Alright, I'm just making my way to the fourth court. And this is the door. So let's check out some of the amazing foods on the outside. Alright. So you know this sign, Expo Jamaica, you are here, so you're gonna see where we at. Man.
Finish? It's over?
So we're actually on the outside right now, where the food court. So you know you have the jerk chicken, fried fish festival, every other thing that you can think about that couldn't be it on the inside where they with fire is on the outside. So let's make our way to one at the end and then we're gonna work our way down. Alright, so we actually reach a Grace tent here. Let us see what is on this side. Yes, so you have snow ice on the outside over here. That is it. Snow ice. Party king. No joke, no doubt. All of the thing them for the kids. And you don't know adult too because it's beautiful. I move over here so now you have best dress. I deal with the jerk them the right way. You don't know. Jerk chicken and all of them good things there. Mad. Listen to me, the scent and the aroma is just different. You have to make your way over that side if you tell her the God truth. Beautiful. As you can see the long line, you must know, you know, they say anywhere you're going on the line long, you know, they say food that chop, you know. And you see line I chop. Yeah man, and a joke thing. And over here so now we have Hot Dog King. Yeah, big up to Hot Dog King for the hot dog lovers. And original water. Let's go. So right up here, so you know you have best street. I see festival on the menu. The menu is tall. The only thing I don't see on the menu for this one here is actually fried chicken, because fried chicken I believe is over on this side. Make a look around them, boss. Respect. So we're there at the food court. And another spot, as me say again, once I say the line long, there's no say, the food are shot. So you don't know, scotches. It's all about scotches on this side. Big up to the owners of scotches in Jamaica for a very long time. Still doing it, still going strong. Line long, the scent and the aroma is the same. Whoa, mash up your nose. So it's a beautiful event for persons and their family to have a nice time. Come out and get some new products and get their minds open up to a lot of new products out there, that you don't just stay on the path for the same products years and years and years. You know what I mean? And in this era, there are lots, I'd say loads of small businesses now that persons are coming out with their products and making their own natural products and bunch of stuff like that, which is great. And this side we have the rainforest menu tall. Man, that is it. It's a beautiful event. Hello. Wow. On this side, they don't know for the juice and beverages, they are bigger. Also name right now in Jamaica from ever since, you know what I mean? So this is what the food court looks like and the stuff that it has to offer. So you can get from fish to jerk chicken, fried chicken, festival, bami, all the goodies like that on the outside for the food court, and also all your well-known juices and nice beverages on the outside for the food court. So coming to the expo, you can't be hungry, none at all. Just forward with the money, and if you have none of them portable seat there, you can definitely walk with it if you want to eat on the outside, because what I do realize that on the outside, the seat them to eat are filled immediately as somebody get up, them full up. And if you want to get out of the event, you can actually take one of these entrances to come out or exit. So as you can see, people them have a very, very nice time. Very nice time. Alright, so we're gonna show you a little bit more of Arena 2. And then we're gonna go on the upstairs. As a matter of fact, let's go on the upstairs and then we head to the middle of the arena, which is Arena 2. Let's go on the upstairs. I wasn't sure what is on the upstairs, but let's go find out. Alright, so this is on the upstairs for Arena 2. You don't know, let's come out of the noise. So it's a massive event, massive, oh my word. So this is the upstairs view. Massive event, and we are on the upstairs. We have S&B on the upstairs too as well. Blessed respect. So we just give you a feel as if you're here at the event. A walk through, a fun in your eyes. From the comfort right across the world in your city. The comfort of your home, you can get to watch the Jamaica Expo 2025. Yeah, man. As you walk through. You have the JCA here. Jamaica Custom Agency. Smart Truck. It's a trucking company here. JN Bank. And Lasco. The Shipping Association of Jamaica is here. So you have the Seaboard Marine here. Scientific Research Council on the upstairs. Yeah. Blessed good day. All right. Let me just find out a little bit of what is going on here. What is the service here?
We're a logistics and shipping company, Kestrel Liner Agencies. Import, export into and out of Jamaica.
Okay, that's beautiful. So let me just catch these numbers here.
Okay, yes.
That you can get. And also they're on Instagram too as well?
Yes.
What's the name on Instagram?
Kestrel_liner.
So there you have it. Let me see if it's here. All right. Madam Bud. Thank you so much. My name is Fabian. I'm from Jamaica Walk By YouTube channel. That is it. You know, it's a present, your pleasant face catch me say I had to stop because there's so much persons here I can't speak with everybody. You know, one love, but that is it. Beautiful spirit. Nice. Very beautiful event. You can feel it in the spirit here. There's so much persons here. The event is rampack, seller. Loads of business come on out to showcase them things. Believe me. So at this point in the video, I just want to big up my members, big up to all my members on Jamaica Walk By. Let me take this time out to big up some person in the chat too, who me know always on the chat. And I'm talking about Lady Janice, big up every time. Marvin Sinclair, Kadeen Sterling, you don't know, Queen Amazing, big up yourself every time. No joke, no doubt. You understand? Big up to my General Orient Freestyle, Adventure, mad love and respect. You see me I say. Also some of the persons who always in the chat, they talk about Patrice, Jason, you don't know, Gina from Jason and Gina YouTube channel, always in the chat, you know what I mean? Big up to Diane Hunt as well. Big up to Diane Hunt, no joke, always supporting Jamaica Walk By as we walk by the expo. Look what going on there, so massive, no joke, look on the crowd, magnitude of people here, the event seller. Which is you? This is you. All right, tell the world what they need to know about you now and what you have to offer right here, so.
Yeah. Yeah, man, representing Lennox Folk Art. So I do original hand painting, focusing on Jamaican cultural scene. So if you look across, you see beautiful, vibrant colors that represent our culture, represent our expression. You know, my work speak with a Jamaican accent, but you have an international appeal, you see? Yeah. So you can find me on all social media at Lennox Folk Art. Yeah. You can also find me on Fine Art America. You can find me at lennoxfolkart.com. Yeah, they represent our culture, our vibe, our vibrancy, and all that is intake, yeah?
So I must say, are you paint brownie?
Yes, man, brownie. You know, say, every yard have a brownie.
Every single yard have a brownie. If you see the dog here and him look like this, don't know same name brownie. So him actually leave us with a nice image of brownie. Big up yourself, brownie. No joke, no doubt, man. Oh, yeah, so you can't just have brownie alone now. You know which one you have to go paint. Oh, yeah. You have brownie down there so too. But you know who me not say? Me not see Blackie.
Alright, Blackie I come next. See?
You have to have Blackie, man.
On the next cut, Blackie I come on the next cut. See?
And you can't left out Spreckles either.
Alright. All of them are coming next. See?
Yeah. Alright. Art of Love. So it's all about Lennox Coke Art. And remember, this is a chance to scan the QR code, put your phone to the screen, and go straight to their page. That is it. No joke, no doubt. So, may I have it say, yeah, Lennox?
Yeah, man, I'm Lennox in flesh. Yeah.
In flesh.
All of these done with one brush stroke at a time. You see, representing our culture, representing yard. Representing our culture, representing yard. Yes.
Big up my G, enough respect. This is beautiful. Also, as the man said, buy black art. You can watch this back on Jamaica Walk By.
Alright, big up Jamaica Walk By. Every time.
Big up and respect Mr. Lennox. That is it, man. No joke. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful interview. Well said. Lennox himself. So Rhythm FM over here is actually taking it away. Sun City in the house, Mellow FM, Rhythm FM, and you also have Zip FM. Everybody chewing it down. Everybody chewing it Everybody chewing it down. Everybody. Rhythm FM over here, so. With them dance and them. Hey! Outside, outside! Outside, outside! Outside! So there you have it for the upstairs. Let's make our way downstairs as we walk by the Expo Jamaica. No joke, no doubt. Let's go. Wait, there's another level upstairs? I mean, that's it. So, let's go. Some of us are going to the vibe like on the day. Yeah, so we're downstairs again. So big up to everybody who actually there in the chat section. Yes, some more at that time I have to pick up some of my subscribers. They don't know Barrington Blake, big up every time. They don't know Nicholas. Blessings and respect. That's Nicholas McPherson, big up every time. You know what I mean? As the video tours me G, big up and respect. Also, big up to Shana Max. No joke, you don't know. Big up to Kerry and Brown Music Promotion. You understand? Big up to Cassie. No joke, no doubt. Big up to Ken. That's Ken C, 8723, no joke, no doubt. Also big up to George Wilson. You understand? Mark Brown, big up every time. Big up to Miss Winnie Win. You understand? And also big up to Who is Herbie, the general, no joke, big up and respect. Art of Love. See? Jamaica Expo or Expo Jamaica 2025. Beautiful event. JPS. Everything you can think of there, trust me. So for all the persons who didn't get a chance to be here or had no idea what this event was about or what it looks like or what it entails, well, I hope this video be a perfect description as to what you can expect on your way here. See? Yeah. So this is the event. So even games and stuff you can do for the kids. You know what I mean? That is it. Wow. NCB. Yeah, massive. So that's gonna be it for me on showcasing what you can expect here at the expo the next time you want to come. You understand? I'm imploring on persons to really come and check out this event next time. And you can use Jamaica Walk By this video as a reference on what to expect. Yeah, man. Just walk with no money. Yeah, just walk with no money and it should be good. I have no idea what is this, but it looks interesting. See? Yeah, man, this is it. Grace Kennedy, yes, teacher. Loads of people. Enough food, enough juice. Things for your face, your skin, everything is here. Use this video as a reference to come to the next Expo Jamaica. So much things going on, massive. Beautiful event. We can't wait to link up back with Lexi and we shall have a ball walking up and down, getting food, getting drinks, buying all different kinds of stuff. I don't know, sample a bunch of things as well. You see me? Beautiful event, man. This is, must be good. Walk one over here, sir.
So I have no problem to make someone try. Alright, Shanika, turn around now. Shanika, talk to me. Fight for them. Here you go. Look at me. Turn to me. Fight for them.
Sufficient max.
1.
Eve natural
2. Listen to me. Last 5 years, you're going good. You got 2.
got
3
2.
to go.
She get blank, she get blank, she get blank, she get blank.
Come here. Look over the sampling station. She gone 2. Okay, 3. 1 more to make 4. What's the name? What's the brand? What's the brand name? Festival Mix.
Why you're very generous, boy?
That is it. You're going 4.
You even give her the chance to look, to find the product. Can you? She even going and searching, and still having her chance. Can I get more simpler than this?
That is it. That is it. She got 5. That is it. Make some noise for her. Right. Okay, listen to me now, alright? Listen to me now. Listen to me now. Listen to me now. Okay? There are 4 different types of flour. Name all 4 for me.
4 different types of flour?
Name all 4 for me.
Whole wheat.
When you tell me the brand name, come here. Take your time. Listen up your answers to ask. She like you have to get that fight. You want to fight me? Oh, but that's a wonder. Alright. Take your time.
Gold seal, whole wheat.
That's 1. Come out our ears. If you don't go in our ears, people, may just tell her walk with separate. I mean, I count somebody's because the person here you want to try. Persons you want to win money.
Gold seal, counter flour.
Okay. 1.
Gold seal, all-purpose flour.
2. Yeah, you should say only first. Yeah, so that is 3.
Gold seal, bread flour.
That is it. That is it. She got 2 questions. Okay. Can you tell me which month separate we celebrating the 80s of year?
Yeah, July.
Okay, she's correct. You want to sell for basket. Courtesy separate. Okay? This is yours.
Yeah.
But do you want to keep it? Or you want to go for the money?
So the deal on the table is if she want to keep it or she want to go for the money.
Shanika. Shanika.
Listen.
Shanika.
The rule of the game is when you win, you take your winnings and leave.
Shanika.
When you win, you take your winnings and leave.
Shanika, look here. Looking at my eye. Looking at my eye. I am talking to you. I'm the host. I'm not a ghost. I'm the host. I'm the what?
Big up yourself.
The host. That is it. Listen to me now. Right? I believe in you. Like me see I walk out with the money here. Which month you born? November? Which date in November?
13.
Yes.
The 13th, my God. She a go lose. Yeah, massive. So, we know the probably want to say a decision which she a go make, but no, sir. Let's go. There's so much going on here. Whole heap of things are given, money are given, games are given, and everything like that. Look at this. But I've got to close the video. We've been here for a very long time. Yeah, massive. So there you have it. Beautiful event. Everything are going good. No joke, no doubt. What is here? ADM. I'm not sure what is going on here, but we are going to and think. Extreme arts and debates. Why am I so concerned now? Yeah, massive. So let's move through. So thank you so much for watching. Big up to everybody on Jamaica Walk By. It has been a great walkthrough. You know, love is in the air. Loads of persons here enjoying themselves and all of the good things. And that is what I wanted to capture. So, mad love, mad respect. What we have in the house? Look good now, man. Figure that. How you been? Money work. Respect. No joke, no doubt. Yeah, massive. Look good. The place is festive. Loads of things going on here. I think. Look good. Alright, so yeah, let's move. So thank you so much for watching. Big up to everybody who made the video possible. And all the persons that were in the premiere section in the shot, please go down below the video and drop a comment right about now as we make our way back to Arena 1. You see me, I say, to meet up with the family. Super appreciate every single one who joined the video, watch this video, comment on the video, even like it and thing as well. Saying heart of love, mad respect. Super appreciate everybody. Blessings and respect. That is it as we make our way back to Arena 1. See? Blessings. And please, I'm asking you to subscribe to Jamaica in 10. That's Jamaica in the number 10. Alright? Yeah. So, big up and respect to every single one. And I must say special big up to my members. Please remember to join members. Membership, you have to click the link in the description where you see join membership and support Jamaica Walk By. It's only $1 per month to support Jamaica Walk By. Heart of love, mad love, respect in all aspects. Super appreciate you. Big up every single time.